How to change the default home screen or the system launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Note 14 with Hyper OS 2. To find and change the default launcher, use the quick access, and with Hyper OS 2, you should have something like this here. You'll see the settings toggle, tap on it one time. And once in the main settings of your Xiaomi phone, go down to the part that says apps, this part right here. Once you're here now, you'll notice that there is these three dots at the top right. Go ahead and tap on that, and you'll see where it says Other Settings. Tap on that once, and in the Other Settings section, you will see Default Apps right there. So go into that, and now the very first option will say System Launcher, this one right here. If you go in there and you only see the default one or the system launcher, you can always go into the Play Store and install some free ones. Some of the good ones are like Nova Launcher and Smart Launcher that I would recommend for you to use if you're interested in something new. Now, once you go here and you see these and you switch over to one of them, whichever one you select, most likely as you come out of here now, you will possibly be prompted to go through the new settings and the changes and all that stuff. And of course, in the end, if you don't like what you see here, you can always come back and change it to the default launcher, like and so.